a traffic light, there is something you should know. When you see a traffic light, there is something you should know. Red means stop. Yellow means ready. And green says go and go and go. And green says go and go and go. Hi. Hello, dearies. Hello, mommies. Hello, daddies. Hello, everyone at home. Welcome back to Chapel Learners. Okay. You know that on Chapel Learners we love to sing, we love to play, we dance, we learn. Yes, we learn and we have fun. Yes, we enjoy ourselves all through. All right, so you know that in Chapel Learners we have looked at the various sounds of the alphabet. Yes, we looked at the 26 sounds of the alphabet. Okay, I'm going to be doing something different. We're going to be starting something different, still related to the sounds and your ability to be able to read. At the last video I did on the Z sound, I told you that we're going to be bringing the sounds together in order to form a two-letter word that would help you to read better eventually. Yes, it will help you to master your reading ability. So we are going to be looking at the vowel sounds. Now the vowel sounds are a, a, o, a. I'll take that again. A, o, e. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the vowel sounds one after the other, blending it with other consonant sound in order to bring out a word. So today I'm going to be starting with the A sound. The A sound. Okay, so here we go. Let us start. So we have A, B. It gives us ab. I want you to repeat after me so you'll be able to learn how to pronounce this better. Okay? Let's go again. A, B, ab. Again. A, B, ab. Okay? The next one. A, k, ak. Now, if you notice, I merged both the k sound and the k sound together. Yes, because they have the same pronunciation, the same sound that comes out, so there's no need differentiating it. That's why you see I wrote a k together. Okay, so looking at it in the alphabets, you call it C and K, but then bringing C and K together, you get that k sound. So that's why I merged it together. Okay, so we say a, k, ak. Again, a, k, ak. All right, the next one, ad, ad. Can you hear the sounds coming out of my mouth? And then me bringing them together again. Ad, ad. Again, ad, ad. Okay, the next one, af, af. Again, af, af. Let's go on. Ag, ag. Again, ag, ag. Did you get that? Ag, ag. Okay, the next one. Ah, ah. Again. Ah, ah. Did you get that? Ah, ah. Okay, the next one. Aj, 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 aj. Did you get it? Aj, aj. Okay. Al, 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 al. Okay. Am. Okay. Am. hope you're repeating it after me. Okay? Up, up. Okay? Up, up. All right? Up, 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 up. Again? Up, up. Okay? Okay, let's go on. Let's say more. Let's bring more sounds together. I'm sure you are learning. I hope you are. Okay. Us, 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 us. Okay. Us, 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 us. Okay. Ox, 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 av, 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 aw, aw. Okay? Aw, aw. Again? Aw, aw. Okay? Ah, ye, I. Okay? Ah, ye, I. Okay? Ah, ye, I. All right? Ah, z, as. Again? Ah, z, as. Okay. I'm sure you have followed me through learning our sounds, bringing two sounds together to form a word, a two-letter word. So I started from R. If you notice, I did not blend the R sound with another vowel. No. I didn't blend it with E, I didn't blend it with O, I didn't blend it with A, I didn't blend it with No, I did not do that because blending them together will give you another sound. So, but that's a story for another day. So, but when you need to blend, when you want to start your blending, bringing words together, it's best to use a vowel sound and a consonant sound, blend them together, and then pronounce it. Pronounce it. As time goes on, you get to learn more ways to pronounce your sounds, to blend your sounds and pronounce it. Pronounce it. You get to pronounce a three-letter word, get to pronounce a four-letter word, and more than that. But so far for today, we are going to be sticking with the R sound, blending the R sound and other consonant sounds in order for us to bring out a word. And so we've looked at that. We've gone through all of that. So in the next episode, I'm going to be blending E and other consonants. I'm sure you have learned something today. I would love you to do this at home over and over and over and over again. I would have said you should send me a video, but I don't know how possible that would be. But do it over and over again, as many times as possible. Repeat it over and over, and it will help you in school to be able to read your comprehension passages. It will help you to read, help you to form your compositions. Alright, so till we meet again on Traffic Learners, remember that you are special and there's no one like you. I said you are special, you're the only one. You are the only one like you. And there is no other in this world who can do what you do. What you do. Alright, so till we meet again, dears, remember that God loves you so much. Mommy and Daddy loves you, and I love you too. Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. So till we meet again on Traffic Learners. Bye, dearies.